Hi, I'm Kat Berry, and I'm going to teach you how to make vegan macaroni. So here we go. We're starting with just boiling some water because we're making pasta. And I find that if I start my sauce the same time as I start my pasta, that it's usually done at the same time. So I'm going to put my 2 cups of almond milk. It's 1 cup of nutritional yeast. Vegan mayonnaise. This is Vegenaise vegan mayonnaise. And vegan mayonnaise is made from grapeseed oil and some other emulsified oils. This is a GMO-free product, and it is delicious. 2 tablespoons of vegan margarine. I use Earth Balance. It's my favorite. It's all natural, and it's really delicious. And then we've got a spice mix here of 1 teaspoon turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon sage, 3/4 teaspoon black pepper, and I think 1 teaspoon salt. There's also some garlic powder in here, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. It's almost a teaspoon of everything, so it's really easy. I'm gonna put it on medium. I'm gonna whisk everything together. And I can tell my water's boiling, so I really need to add my pasta. This is a pound of organic whole wheat macaroni, elbow macaroni. You can make this with any kind of noodle. I honestly use rotini more than anything in this dish just because I like it. When the macaroni is done and drained, I'm gonna pour this back into the macaroni, and we're gonna make it like nice and thick. We're gonna heat it a little bit more. It's almost done. It's time to add the spinach. You wanna add your spinach about just a couple minutes before, like 2 minutes before your pasta is done. All right, so I'm gonna dump this. And that was 2 cups organic spinach, by the way. I'm gonna turn it off. I've got my colander here. And I'm just gonna dump all this in here. I'm gonna turn off my sauce as well. Shake all the water loose. Now, I'm going to just pour the sauce into the noodles, and I'm gonna turn the burner back on so that it can become nice and thick like that macaroni and cheese kind of sauce that we're used to. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for this to come back to a boil and thicken up a little bit. It's probably gonna take about 5 minutes. So as you can see, this is thickened up quite a bit, and it's getting close to being ready to serve. Just gonna pour it into this beautiful blue bowl. All right, and here we have it. Here's our vegan mac. And that's that. So just another simple vegan recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've learned something interesting, and I hope you enjoy your vegan mac as much as I do. Have a great day.